Good evening. Welcome to Bruce's Box Breaks. Tonight we're doing 2 boxes of Dominion Hockey. 13-14, of course, and it's break number 101. And as you can see, last team sold was the Winnipeg Jets. Sold at 1958 Eastern. eBay time. Is now 17:08 Pacific, 20:08 Eastern, 21:08 Nova Scotia time. So let's get right, excuse me, let's get right to it because I've got a case to do after this one. Okay, so here's your list of winners and their respective teams. Thank you all for taking part, and good luck to you. There you have it, break number 101. Serial numbers ending in 4527 and 5849. And we've got 4527 and 5849. And as you can see, break number 1. Whoops, I got it upside down. Oh, 101. Whoops. Yeah, okay. I just wanted to let you see my new attire for my head. Little Father's Day gift from my daughter, a Bruins draft hat. Sweet. She always seems to give me one this time of year. That's great because I love it. Okay. Well, I got no glasses. Let's try these ones. Gotta love the dollar store glasses in a quick fix. A quick fix is what they do. Okay. Box number 1. Nice thick one. Nobody wants to see that. Let's turn that over to that. Okay, let's start off with Charlie Hanna. Welcome aboard, buddy. Or I should say welcome back. We've got Pekka Rinne, numbered 50 out of 299 for Nashville, base card. For Calgary, we got Ben Street. Calgary is Duckfoot, and that's rookie auto, numbered 40 out of 299. Nice card, congratulations. For VA3 XRY, welcome to the breaks. Oh, you guys. I can't show that right yet. For the Toronto Maple Leafs, Leo Camero, and that's a gold patch. Nice patch that is, and it is numbered 5 out of 10. Oh, we got a card coming up here that's just lovely. Just super lovely. And for the Minnesota Wild, DBA 8611, welcome back, bud. We've got Michael Granlund, and look, these guys have the fuzziest patches. Autograph, numbered 7 out of 299. I think my lights are a little bright there. Very nice, congratulations. And for the Boston Bruins, we got Jerome McGinley. Well, it's kind of a Calgary patch, but hey, it's numbered 16 out of 99. Autoed. Sweet. And here you go, folks, for the Detroit Red Wings, MBSC Golf 1220. Well, it's been a while, but this is the 1 of 1, as you can see. The printing plate, and I think it's sienna is the color or whatever. Very nice. Very nice. Hendrik Zetterberg. Wow. 1 of 1. How about that? Yeah, gotta love it. This was the last 2 boxes in this case, so they're paying dividends. That one did. Okay, that's it for that one. Let's go to this one. You want to see the number again? Sure, by all means. 4527. I guess everybody's getting excited for the SP Authentic coming out. I ordered a case of it, but I always get mine late, and I'm not going to be around on Friday when it's supposed to show up, because my guy is not close to me. So, I might do on Monday. Okay, here we go. Last pack, not nearly as thin. Or not, yeah, not nearly as thick, I mean. Wow, what a nice card. There we go, look at that. Right on top is a redemption. Oh. So now it's right on bottom. So, for the Columbus Blue Jackets, we've got Marian Gaborik. Oh, geez. Yeah, why not? Marian Gaborik. 29 out of 299. I tell you, it's hard to see it on that stuff. And that's for the Blue Jackets. Blue Jackets is Pico 2456. And back-to-back hits. We should have done this on Tuesday. Of Marian Gaborik. And it's a nice seam jersey. Numbered 1 of 25. Very nice. Congratulations, Pico. KCJ 99. I know you want to get in on this. Victor Fast for the Ducks. And that's quite a... almost like it's vinyl. Anaheim Ducks. Rookie card. 248 out of 299. Congratulations. For Pico 2456. Private signings. Mikhail Grigorenko. Private signings. Numbered 88 out of 199. Very nice. Congratulations. And Josh McClellan. Welcome back, Josh. We got Brent Belmore for the Hurricanes, and that's a gold rookie base card, or rookie card. Numbered 7 out of 50. There you go. That's probably worth a couple pennies. And last but not least, we've got Justin Schultz, rookie patch, autograph gold. Sweet card. And that goes to Josh McClellan also for the Oilers. 99.9% sure. So there you have it. Let's go back through them again. Okay. I'll just call the teams. Carolina, Buffalo, Anaheim, Columbus, Edmonton, sweet, Detroit, 1 of 1, people, 1 of 1, Jarome Iginla, that's pretty good. He's got a Penguins uniform showing Calgary colors, and it's for the Bruins. That's one of those multitasking cards. Minnesota, Tirana, Calgary, and Nashville. Okay, that's it. Thanks everybody for taking part. Not sure when I'll put my next ones up, but until then, happy bidding. Thank you and good night.